Are you in your grandma era wherein you wear loose clothes, sew, take care of plants, ignore drama, and mind your own business? Then let's be friends because lately that's all I have been doing.
Since I'm not glued to Instagram anymore, I've been spending some time on Pinterest. Turns out there is no escape from these apps. But the good thing about Pinterest is I usually learn something from them or create a Pinterest board that I'll never use or get ideas to make content like this video. So I came across this dress that I saw on Pinterest and I was like, wait, I can do it. It looks really simple. So I ended up making one for myself and I was like, wow, this is really easy to make. So I thought I'll share my knowledge with you guys. I guess this has to be the easiest sewing tutorial that I will have on my YouTube channel. You can sew this with sewing machine, or if you don't have one, you can do it with hand stitching as well. Yes, it's that easy.
I quickly dug into my stash for fabric that had been sitting there for a long time. Now is the time for it to spread the wings and rise.
I'm using this beautiful lightweight, cotton fabric from Fabric Lore. The key is to use the fabric which is lightweight and not too stiff because it has to go with the flow, just like how I go with the flow when I have to deal with elders. So let's do this.
This is where the neck of the dress is gonna sit, so take the length of the dress that you want from this point. I am using 2 meters of fabric. Fold the fabric once and then fold it again to create a triangle because we love triangle love stories. Take out your trustworthy camisole or bustier. I repeat, trustworthy, because we don't need backstabbing people. Fold the camisole and align it to the folded side of the fabric and mark the neckline and armhole. From the corner point, mark the length of your dress. The length of your dress will be the neck deep plus the length that you measured. My neck deep was 8 inch and the length was 27 inch. So the total length of the dress is 35 inches that I have to mark. This is literally all the marking that you need to do. So once the marking is done, cut it out and your dress pattern is ready. One side will be the folded side and the other one will be unfolded. Sew this side until it's as closed off as your heart. Cut a bias tape or two of 1.5 inches in width. If you're new to sewing, this is nothing but the straps that you cut out at 45-degree angle. Yes, there is no escape from mathematics. Bias strap can stretch like the drama in your life. Take the bias strap and fold it from both the sides and press it down. Once the whole strap is pressed down, then fold it again and press it down. Take the bias strap and sandwich the neckline with the strap and pin it up. Cut out the extras like the person you have in your life serving no purpose and sew it. Repeat the same thing on the back neckline as well. Once sewing is done, press it down because we are aiming for clean finish. You will be doing the same thing on the armhole as well, but for the armhole you need to take a bias strap of around 23 to 25 inches on a safer side because we tend to do mistakes. At least I do. Sandwich the armhole with the bias tape and pin it up and sew it down and do the same thing on the other side as well. But this time don't cut the extras. These are the straps that will sit on your shoulder. Can you believe we are almost done after this step? All you have to do is attach the strap on the other side and hem it at the bottom. I wore the dress to see where I want the straps to be and pinned it up. I also feel like the length is a little long, so I'm gonna shorten it and give people a reason to talk about. Remove the pin, fold the strap and as shown in the video and sandwich it and pin it and sew it all the way to the other side. Do the same thing on the other side as well. We are almost there, only one step is remaining. It'll take around 1 hour max to make this dress. Since I wanted to shorten the dress, I marked 2.5 inches from the bottom and cut it out. After that, I double folded the edge and stitched it. After sewing, you can press it or don't. You do what you want. I'm not your mom or mother-in-law. And the super simple circle dress is ready to wear. This turned out so pretty. Perfect for summer because it's so airy. But definitely not for windy days unless you are going to see your crush. Just make sure he's worth it. I also made a strap and tied it around the waist because sometimes I want to show my curves. Instead of strap, you can also use a belt. If you're bored after wearing this few times outside, you can wear it at home as loungewear because it literally feels like you're not wearing anything. That's the vibes we want at home, right? Yes, I couldn't stop twirling in this dress.